This is how the camera interface looks like on the Canvas 4 Plus. It does have autofocus and tap to focus is also supported. I can easily take a photo of this panda over there, and let me just take this photo again without the artificial light. Again, we are taking both of these two photos in a room with some artificial light. Let me just disable the flash before I take this photo. So let me just take the photo of the panda again. It might take slightly more time when you try to focus on a subject when you do not have much amount of light falling on the subject. So this is how the photo has came out to be, especially the one which has been taken without light. It has came out pretty nice, basically in terms of the colors as well as in terms of details. And when we talk about the one which has been taken with light, you can see good amount of details has been captured in the one which has been taken with light, and the other one which has been taken without artificial light. This is also good enough with the kind of low light which is falling on the subject. I can see the color production being done very nicely and it is almost natural. And when it comes to this one as well, this is looking better, especially in terms of details. But both of these photos are pretty good. So camera is definitely good, especially as far as rear camera on this device. We will show you the front camera as well. Before we do that, let me just show you some of the photo options. We do have HDR mode supported on this device. You can also scan a QR code as well. In case you would like to do that, you just need to tap on this particular icon, which we did, and then you can scan the QR code, and this is how you can actually exit out of it. Taking a look over the settings, I can show you some of the settings. We do have a beautification mode which you can enable and disable. We have these kind of different modes which includes night, sunset, party mode, and other modes. We can actually control the white balance, the ISO, and we can actually set a timer as well, especially for photos. When it comes to video settings, I can show you the video settings as well, and before I do that, let me just show you some of the modes which are supported. So you have different kind of mode which are supported for high-speed photography and some other things. You do have a panorama mode supported as well on this device, which is a very good thing. Let's take a look over the front camera on this device, and for that we need to tap over here. This is how the front camera look like. The front camera is a pretty decent camera, a 5 megapixel camera it is. It does have face detection, as you can see, and it can do a very good quality of high definition video chat from the front camera, which is good. So front camera is a very good camera and can take a photo of myself to show you the clarity of the same. So we have just taken the photo and I can show you the clarity. So you can see the details are very nicely captured in this particular device when I take a photo from the front camera. So the front camera has performed pretty nicely, especially the kind of quality I was expecting. The front camera has done a very good job.